Go.
Hey guys, what's up? Keith Rainville here, the Fat Yankee, my friends. So listen, today we're going to review some jerky. This jerky is out of Texas. This company is actually a great name. It's called jerkymeoff.com is the name of the company. They got some great play on words for their jerky, guys. Adobo-gasm, Hot and Hickory, and Sugar Mama. We are going to review these bags today, guys. So check them out. Really cool packaging. And actually, even the bag that they sent was pretty cool. Nice cow print, right? Cow print. Actually, really cool packaging, guys. So listen, this is Courtney Meisner. She's out of Texas, as I mentioned, and they've got several different kinds of jerky on their site. And let's get into this, my friends. She wrote me a nice little note. I appreciate that, Courtney. Appreciate you sending me some jerky. So let's give this a shot, my friends, okay? So obviously, guys, first off the bat, I always look at the packaging, and you know how I feel about that already. Jerkymeoff.com, nice play on words. It's got the USDA number on the front, and it's got the nutritional and nutritional information on the back, as well as the ingredients, okay? A nice big print too, so good stuff. I'm gonna go with this Hot and Hickory first, guys. Let's check this out and see how this is, see exactly how spicy it is, okay? So let's dig in. Really like these bags, Courtney. These bags are fantastic. So great flavor, great smell when I open the bag, guys, and the jerky seems very tender, okay? So let's get a few pieces out here. Let's take a look at this stuff. We've got our oxygen absorbent package in here as well. You can see the red pepper flakes on it, so this might be a little spicy. Again, Hot and Hickory is the name of this, so I'm expecting some kind of hickory background flavor on this stuff. And nice threads, as you can see when I pull this jerky apart, the threads that it's supposed to have in there, guys. So that's fantastic stuff. Smells really good. Nice tender jerky, good texture. Yeah, definitely. Processing this jerky, it was processed real well. You can tell it has some great texture. Perfect. The texture of this seems exactly what it should be. So let's give it a shot and let's taste it, okay? First of all, you just get an overwhelming taste of meat, which is fantastic. Not too overwhelming on the flavors, but a really nice deep beef flavor. I get a touch of that hickory, and the last part I get is a nice spice. If you like spice, this is a good jerky because it's not overpowering. It has great flavor, great texture. You're not going to break your teeth on this. And it's just nice flavor through and through, okay? So it's not overpowering, guys. It lives up to what it's supposed to be. Hot and Hickory. It's exactly what you get with these flavors. But you get a nice textured jerky and a nice strong beef flavor. So guys, Courtney, you hit this one out of the park. Fantastic stuff. Hot and Hickory beef jerky, guys, from jerkymeoff.com. Check these guys out, my friends. This is good stuff. I can't wait to get into the other bags, and we'll check those out in another video. Okay, guys? Like the video, subscribe to the channel, my friends. Keith Rainville, the Fat Yankee here. We'll see you soon.